Since we started this YouTube series together, we've learned all the basics about trading the stock market, and hopefully you're getting pretty comfortable, and I'll bet that by now you're probably even trading. Now remember, first of all, you should paper trade. That means practicing without real money until you're super comfortable. You need to get good and efficient at just executing trades, knowing how to get in, how to get out, how to quickly set your stop losses, your trailing stops, and of course, figuring out how to take profits. That's all easy, and that's why we're here together on YouTube. But as you start to trade with real money and big money, it's important that we talk about account size and not being scared by the size of every trade. And whether you're starting with $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000, keep in mind, if you're doing it right, you're using strict stop losses. So it doesn't really matter if you're trading a big dollar amount because you're not really risking that big dollar amount. If you're trading $100,000 with a 5% stop loss, the worst you could ever lose would just be $5,000, not $100,000. If you're trading $1,000, your trade is a $1,000 trade with a 5% stop loss. Don't think of the risk as $5,000. Your true risk, it's only $50. So part of being a successful trader, my friend, it's not being scared by the big numbers you play with. Because if you use proper stop losses and of course take profits, you're going to grind out a daily profit, a weekly win, a monthly profit, and you can really change your life. But if the dollar amounts scare you, please do the math and get comfortable with the fact that even though you might be playing with a big dollar amount in terms of the size of the trade, the risk you're taking is not that full dollar amount. If you put $100,000 on a trade with a 5% stop loss, you're not risking $100,000, you're risking $5,000. $100 on a trade, you're not risking your $100, you're risking $5. If the trade loses, you lose $5. So scale is appropriate to risk, and the risk is very small if you've paid attention and you use stop losses properly. We win every day at copyandwin.com, and I hope at some point you'll start winning with my thousands of other members. Check out what we do every day for free right in our Discord. Love you.